my blowout has never looked this good. I am so impressed. I cannot wait to share with you guys the products and tools that I used today for this video. I did not use a flat iron, only a blow dryer. I am shocked. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Today I'm going to share with you guys my blowout routine for damaged hair. This routine is for someone who needs that extra moisture, who wants that extra shine, and for someone who puts a lot of heat on their hair. So me, I definitely put a lot of heat on my hair. So I need products that are going to be extra moisturizing and repairing. And the products that I use today, guys, I am impressed with these products. Today I only use products from the brand Ceremonia, and this video is sponsored by Ceremonia, so thank you so much for sponsoring this video. You can find this brand at Sephora as well, and what I love about this brand is that it is Latina owned. I gotta support my Latinas, and this is something that I am just so impressed with. These products are crazy. Let me get right into the routine that I did. So I started my routine with this Aceite de Moska. This has an ingredient that is derived from the Dominican Republic. Let's represent Dominicans, let's go. And I actually enjoyed this oil so much. I actually put this on my scalp and left it on my hair for about 30 minutes. You can actually leave this on your hair overnight, so I might do that next time. But you add this pre-shower, you add this before washing your hair. You put it directly into your scalp and just massage your scalp. And you can use this every time you wash your hair, maybe like once or twice a week. Something else that you can do is use a scalp massager to really get rid of any product buildup, pollution, impurities. They actually have one available on their website. I will link it down below if you guys want to check it out. This is a great way to exfoliate your clogged pores on your scalp, so that way your routine can be more effective. You can do this before adding the Aceite de Moska. You can also use the scalp massager in the shower just to really exfoliate your scalp even better. This Aceite de Moska is one of their best sellers, and it is kind of like their miracle oil. It really targets your hair health at the root. It nourishes the scalp, and it is just a very powerful cocktail of natural oils such as castor oil, chia seed oil, Babassu oil, and way more. But anyways, I'm going to continue with the next step, which was actually in the shower. So I use this scalp scrub. This is the Papaya scalp scrub, and this one surprised me a lot because I thought it was going to be kind of more of a scrub consistency, and it felt more like a mousse consistency kind of. It also feels like a scrub. You can definitely feel the exfoliation on your scalp. I know that you're only supposed to use this like not with an extra shampoo, and at first I was like, am I really just gonna be able to wash all my hair with just this? Like, I was kind of like skeptical at first. I was like, wait, can I really just wash my hair with a scalp scrub? But yes, you can. You can definitely wash your hair with this, and you don't need a lot. You only need a little tiny bit. You will see how much this little bit lathers in the shower once I put water on my hair. It is insane. Like, it really did feel like a nice shampoo, and I really did not use anything after that. I didn't need an extra shampoo or anything. My scalp felt extra clean, and this also smells so good. So I would say this is more of like a whipped consistency. I guess that's the best way to describe it. Kind of like a whipped cream or something. But yeah, it smells amazing. So yeah, this is a great way to kind of detox your scalp and get rid of any excess oil, product, or anything like that. And this is gonna make your blowout last a lot longer. So yeah, loved using this. I feel like their products are actually really good quality, and I'm just very impressed with how my hair turned out. I did not expect my hair to look this straight, no frizz, and I only did a blowout. So yeah, very happy with the results. Let's move on to the mask that I used in the shower. This is the Mascarilla de Babassu, and this is just basically a deep conditioning mask. It's something that you put on your hair, leave it on your hair for about 10 minutes in the shower, and it's just gonna make your hair look a lot healthier and moisturized over time. Definitely use this if you put a lot of heat on your hair. Sometimes I need that extra moisture because I put so much heat on my hair, so this mask felt amazing for that. It really did kind of make my hair super soft after I got out of the shower. This I would also just use maybe every week whenever I would wash my hair. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep using these products. They are so good. I am literally so impressed with the results that I got. So let's move on to the next step. So I actually used a leave-in conditioner. This is the Guava leave-in conditioner. This is going to give you deep hydration as well. I just used a little bit of this. I put a little bit on the bottom section of my hair, and then I put a little bit more on the top section of my hair. I just divided my hair into 2 sections, and I also used the brush just to kind of spread the product super well. I really like this leave-in conditioner because it's going to help fight frizz as well, and it's going to repair your hair over time. So yeah, this is a product that I can definitely see myself using again in the future. I can definitely see myself using this leave-in conditioner also whenever I leave my hair natural, just because this is going to leave my curls so soft. I can already see that. I mean, when I put this on my curly hair, you guys can see that my curls look so moisturized, and my curls were kind of starting to bounce back. So I really liked using this leave-in conditioner, and I can see myself definitely using it if I just want to leave my hair natural, and also if I want to blow it out like I did today. So if you don't know which product to buy, Ceremonia actually has a quick 2-minute quiz, which is so easy to do. It's just going to ask you very basic questions about your hair type, concerns, if you color treated or not, if you put heat on your hair or not, and all that stuff. And then you put your email, and it's going to send you your results, and it's also just going to show you the results right there on the screen. So I got the Aceite de Moska, which I absolutely loved. I also got the Mascarilla de Babassu, which worked super well on my curly hair, and I got some other products. So yeah, guys, if you want to try out any of their products, I do have a discount code, so check it out down below so you can save some money. So after the leave-in conditioner, of course, I had to add a heat protectant. I feel like if you want to have healthy hair, you need to use a heat protectant. You have to protect your hair from the heat. It makes such a big difference, guys. Like, it really does. I used to not use heat protectant back in the day, like when I was in high school, and my hair was so fried. But ever since I started using heat protectants, my hair has been looking a lot healthier. So definitely recommend using a heat protectant if you're going to blow out your hair or straighten it or whatever. So yeah, really like this one from Ceremonia. This also helped detangle my hair super well, and it just made my hair a lot easier to manage. So yeah, love this one. They also sent me this mist. This is something that you put on your hair when it's damp before drying it. But I didn't want to add too much to my hair because I just felt like my hair felt so good already, like with the oil in the beginning, and then the mask and the scalp scrub, and then the leave-in conditioner, the heat protectant. My hair was feeling amazing, so I didn't feel like I needed to add an extra mist or oil to my hair. But if you need that extra shine, go for it. I'm gonna link this down below. This is something that you can add also when you're prepping your hair before your blowout. So yeah, I'll link this down below. So then I dried my hair, and guys, if you have damaged hair and if you don't want to put extreme heat to your hair, you need to get the Dyson SuperSonic. I mean, the Dyson SuperSonic is so, you know, pricey. I get it. It's a little bit expensive. It's very expensive, but it is so worth it. It is the hairdryer that I feel like is the least damaging to my hair, and it is the blow dryer that I feel like gives me the smoothest blowout with the most shine. It doesn't feel like if it's burning my hair, and it gives me a lot of shine. It makes my hair look super healthy. I do feel like sometimes the Dyson leaves my hair a little tiny bit frizzy, but I also felt like with these products it didn't look as frizzy as it does sometimes. I'm going to put a video right here of another time that I did a blowout with the Dyson SuperSonic, and it looks fine, but it doesn't look as sleek as it does today. And I feel like it really was because of the products, guys. Like, I'm telling you, like, these products are so good. I was so impressed. It really looks like if I used a straightener today and I did not use anything else on my hair. I only did a blowout. You guys will see in this video how smooth my hair looks after blowing out my hair with just the Dyson SuperSonic. So yeah, I was very impressed with the results. I also liked using the thinner nozzle attachment. I know that I always use this one, which is like a little bit wider, but this one right here, I'm going to start using it. I am going to start using it because at first I was a little bit intimidated by it because it gets, you know, very hot in a very concentrated area of your scalp, of your hair, and it can sometimes burn your scalp, so be very careful. But let me tell you, this really does give you the smoothest blowout out of the 2 nozzles. So if you want to start with the wider one and just see how it works for you, start with this one. This one's really good as well. But once you have a little bit more practice, switch to this one. This one will give you the smoothest blowout. I've seen so many professionals use this one, and now I know why, because it really does give you the smoothest blowout. It really is amazing. I use this in the highest heat setting and the highest speed, and I did my blowout in less than 45 minutes, which is not bad at all. So yeah, definitely check this out. I'm gonna link it down below. I also really like this brush. This is like a brush that I just discovered, and it's really good. It is really, really, really good. It's kind of big. This is in the size extra large, but I like it. It really dried my hair so quickly. I don't need a brush smaller than this. Why was I using smaller brushes? If this can grab more hair, it could dry my hair quicker. And I really like the bristles of this. I feel like these bristles work for me. And I've seen a lot of professionals actually use this brush at the beauty salon. Also, one more thing that I did was that I clipped the front sections. I basically just put my hair up like this. I just clipped it. Una anchoita, Dominican style. Just clip it and then release it after a couple of minutes, and you're gonna get a very nice little curl. I try to not blow out my hair when my hair is like a little bit dry. It just gives me a ton of frizz, so I just don't do that. I prefer to do it straight from pretty wet hair. You can even dry your hair once it's a little bit damp if you want, but I like to dry it when it is pretty wet. So yeah, I just feel like that gives me the smoothest blowout. So try it out. I think it'll work for you if you have pretty thick hair like me. If you have thinner hair and if your hair is like a little bit more fine, then maybe try to do it on more dry hair, like maybe like 70% dry hair. But my hair is very, very thick, so I need to do it on pretty wet hair, and that just gives me the best results, and over time it doesn't really damage my hair. So I think that is it for this routine. This was a very short video, straight to the point, step by step. If you guys like these types of videos, let me know in the comments down below. I can also do a part 2 trying out these curly hair products. I really wonder how these products are going to work on my curly hair, so let me know if you want a part 2 trying these out. And yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you again, Ceremonia, for sponsoring this video. Love, love, love this brand, and I loved every single product that I tried, and my blowout has never looked this nice and shiny. Like, it really looks so, so good. Yeah guys, that is it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.